Finding the best wok for an induction cooktop can feel tricky since not every wok works on flat, modern stoves. From my own trial and error, a flat bottom wok with strong heat response makes all the difference for quick, even stir-frying at home. I've tested a few setups and learned what truly works on induction, so you don't waste time or money. Let's get you the right one. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Yosukata 14-inch carbon steel wok. If you're searching for the best wok for an induction cooktop, this is where things get a bit tricky. I tried the Yosukata 14-inch carbon steel wok, and I loved the flavor it gives. It heats fast and locks in moisture, so stir-fry tastes rich and smoky. That genuine taste is real, especially for fried rice and noodles. The pre-seasoned surface is a nice start, but you still need to season it before first use. Over time, it builds a natural non-stick layer, which I really like. The carbon steel body feels strong, and the wooden handle stays safe to hold. It's also great for many cooking styles, like frying, searing, and steaming. Number 4. Abongdon 1700-watt 120-volt concave induction wok cooktop. The Abongdon 1700-watt 120-volt concave induction wok cooktop feels like a smart fix if you want the best wok for induction cooktop at home. I tried it for a quick stir-fry, and the concave shape really helps. The wok sits steady, and heat spreads more evenly than flat cooktops. That large 9.25-inch coil is a standout feature. It gives strong heat for searing and better control for tossing food. It does not keep turning on and off, so sauces and soups cook more smoothly. The knob control feels simple and quick, which is great during active cooking. It even comes with a stainless steel wok, so you can start right away. That said, the 1700-watt power is good, but not restaurant level. Also, it needs induction-ready cookware for best results. Number 3. DOTCLAD Wok Pan. The DOTCLAD wok pan feels like a modern upgrade if you're looking for the best wok for induction cooktop. I like the snowflake technology surface. It gives a mix of stainless steel and non-stick feel, so food releases easier and you use less oil. Cooking eggs or stir-fry veggies feels lighter and less greasy. The multi-layer steel is another strong point. Heat spreads evenly, so I didn't notice hot spots while sautéing or deep frying. That makes everyday cooking feel more reliable and less stressful. It also works well on induction, gas, and electric stoves, which is great for most US kitchens. Cleaning is simple. One thing I noticed is that the non-stick effect is good, but not as strong as coated pans over long use. Also, it's a bit heavy. Still, it's a solid, healthy, and versatile wok for daily cooking. Number 2. Mammafong pre-seasoned blue carbon steel flat bottom wok. The Mammafong pre-seasoned blue carbon steel flat bottom wok is a great pick if you want the best wok for induction cooktop with real wok performance. I really like that it comes pre-seasoned. It saves time, so you can start cooking right away without a long prep process. The surface already feels smooth and it improves with use. What stands out is the double baking process. It helps build a strong, natural non-stick layer using oils, not chemicals. That gives food a nice sear and better flavor over time. I also like that it works on induction, gas, and electric stoves because of the flat bottom. That makes it very practical for modern kitchens in the US. It does need care though. You must keep seasoning it and avoid soaking in water. It's not a no-maintenance pan. Number 1. HexClad Hybrid Nonstick 12-inch wok. The HexClad Hybrid Nonstick 12-inch wok feels like a premium choice if you're searching for the best wok for induction cooktop. What I noticed first is the hybrid surface. It mixes stainless steel and ceramic non-stick, so food sears well but still releases easily. That makes stir-frying and saucy dishes feel very smooth and controlled. I really like the tri-ply construction. It heats up fast and spreads heat evenly, which helps avoid hot spots. It also works on all cooktops, including induction, which is perfect for modern kitchens in the US. The long handle and helper handle also make tossing food feel safe and steady. Another big plus is durability. It's metal utensil safe, dishwasher safe, and even oven safe at very high heat. That gives it a strong, all-round use feel. One downside is the price. It's definitely on the expensive side. Also, the lid is not included, which feels a bit limiting. Final verdict. Personally, my top pick for the best wok for induction cooktop is the HexClad Hybrid Non-Stick Wok. It delivers the best balance of fast heating, even cooking, durability, and easy cleanup, making it perfect for everyday stir-fry, noodles, and saucy dishes. For a more budget-friendly and traditional cooking experience, I recommend the Mammafong pre-seasoned blue carbon steel wok. It gives authentic wok flavor, improves with seasoning over time, and performs beautifully on induction once properly cared for. Both are excellent, but your choice depends on convenience versus traditional cooking style. Check the description for current prices and more details, and pick the one that fits your style and needs best.